Hey there! Welcome to this explainer on how AWS uses generative AI to turbocharge tricky database migrations.
So let's get right into it. Is there a magic easy button for moving legacy databases?
Well, every migration basically has two mandatory parts. First, moving the schema structure, and second, the actual data.
Staying with the same database is a breeze, but swapping types, like Oracle to Postgres, total nightmare. Standard tools run on rigid rules. They nail the basic tables, but totally choke on complex custom code.
That's exactly why AWS brought in generative AI as a brilliant assistant to tackle that stubborn leftover code.
See, standard deterministic rules just fail on the unknown, but this Gen AI, it actually adapts to context. The real genius here is that we only feed the AI the exact pieces those standard rules missed.
Now, you're probably thinking the obvious. Wait, is this AI going to steal all my top secret proprietary code? No way. AWS guarantees your intellectual property is never, ever used to train their models. Period.
Seriously, before anything even reaches the AI, every variable, table name, and text string gets completely scrubbed.
But remember, AI is basically making an educated guess, so human engineers definitely still need to double-check things. Okay, want to know the absolute best part? Getting this Gen AI schema conversion literally costs $0. Yeah, you only pay for moving the heavy data payload. Cracking the hardest code logic is completely free.
Let's look at a real-world test, a crazy complex Oracle pivot statement that doesn't even exist in Postgres.
Doing this manually, it actually took a highly skilled expert developer 8 agonizing hours to finally fix.
But get this, the AI cracked it in 1 minute, plus just 5 minutes of human tweaking.
That is an insane drop. We're talking an 8-hour manual headache slashed to just 6 little minutes.
Even if the AI occasionally hallucinates, it still accelerates your entire migration timeline by an absolutely massive margin.
Meaning your team finally stops doing tedious translation grunt work and focuses on actually modernizing your core apps.
So are you ready to let Gen AI do the heavy lifting, or will you keep coding manually?